Hey Natasha, I hope that you had a nice long weekend. I'm assuming you had school off yesterday. I definitely did, and it was a much needed day off. I'm just waiting to get into March where we have 0 extra days off of school and biding my time there. Um, Anyways, I thought that the video post, it seemed like a really neat idea. It's something I would love to see the video for. It sounds like a really cool project in regard to the water quality project. So I think that that sounds like a really neat way to kind of engage students in that what's going on in the world, but have it be something where they can study things that are going on in societies where they might need this issue to be fixed, and then things that they could potentially do with solutions. Down with the videos down here, I thought that it was really important how you said that the teachers were working as collaborators with their students and that they were more as facilitators. So, like you said right here, that they were more of the facilitators versus just the teacher, I think is a really important thing to note in regard to the project-based learning and things of that nature. Down here with this different stages of project-based learning, I thought that you were absolutely right with like the empathy, where the teacher was asking the students those different kinds of questions, and then the stations definitely were allowing the children to kind of express more things about themselves. I was really intrigued by the two articles that we read, or with the two, what am I trying to say here? The two things that, like, lesson plans that we read pertaining to this teacher going through on that blog and explaining this is how she sets up the school year and the various things that she does in order to make sure that her students' voices are being heard. So overall, I thought it was great. I'll really look forward to hearing about your potential project for the PBL and your first 3 stages of it. And if you would like to collaborate at all, please feel free to reach out via email, or I'll just look for your post on here. Have a great night.